So we're going to cover on how to edit existing blog articles on the Swifin website. And then from there, we will move on how to create new blog articles for your monthly or weekly content. So let's start on how to edit existing articles. You need to be logged in into your swifin.com via WordPress. So this bar on top, the gray one, needs to be visible. You then go to blog. You then will be able to select whichever articles you want to edit. So for example, this one. And let's say there is some additional content that you want to populate on this post. You can then click edit post right here. And you will be then moved on to your backend. And you can edit the text directly this way, or you can use Visual Composer if you want to add any imagery, any content. So for example, if you want to create, populate a single image, you can. So you just follow the intuitive UI of Visual Composer and upload any images that you want to supplement your article. So that's pretty easy. So make sure that we don't save that. Okay, but once you have done the changes, so if you want to make a change in the text, you can. Again, any typos that you may have discovered, make sure you click on Save Changes right here. And then you need to click on Update to make sure that whatever changes you made were actually implemented and the post would have been updated. Now, the other way to do it is actually go to your posts, and then you'll see the list of all your posts and content that you have published, and then find the post that you need to edit. Click on that. So click on, say, same one, transforming lives through financial inclusion. And then you will be able to access your post this way. And again, don't forget to click update once you've done that. Now, to create a new post, it's fairly easy. What I suggest is not necessarily add new one, but if you want to say, if you like a specific layout of the post that's already in existence, you can duplicate it and then just change the text. So you can go to all posts, and it's once you start hovering over the post that you want to clone, you click on clone right here. You can see that is the same post has been duplicated, but now the author has been changed since I've created it. You then click on edit, and then make sure that you update your post name. So let's call it test post. You make sure that the sub-page link is also changed. So test post, click OK. And whatever is from your SEO perspective is the most readable name, make sure you do that. Populate this permalink. You then need to create whatever the categories it belongs to. So click any of the categories that you think that this post is going to be relevant. Update your featured image. So that's the image that's going to be displayed when the user is on the blog page. It's also going to be a preview image if you're sharing the blog post on LinkedIn or Facebook or the like. So you can change it if you want to from your existing library. So make sure you set featured image. Finally, you can actually change the blog content and type in whatever you like, add any elements to it. So things like images or if you'd like, so like I've showed you in the previous tutorial. And then finally, you then can use the Yoast SEO plugin to fine-tune the meta description and tags and things like that. So once you've done that, you click on publish, and your post is going to be published and visible on your main page. So you can take a look here on preview changes. This is our test post right here, and it is now visible on the main page right here. So test post. Obviously, we don't need it, and in order to delete it, you need to go to all posts, select this, and bin it. And there you go. So you can also start a new post from scratch. So click right here, posts, add new. Add a new post, whatever the post name is. Use the page builder because it's awesome and great. In order to start your content, you need to add a row right here. In that row, you can put a custom heading and then type in whatever the test post is, whatever the design layout you want to have. So text, then text block. And you can type in your text right here. You can preview what it looks like, then imagery you want to have. Make sure the fonts are displayed correctly. So if you are using the custom heading here, make sure that your default font family is clicked as yes and save changes. Now if we click preview, you can see that this font has been changed right here to the style that we already have throughout the website. Hope it helps. I hope it's straightforward. Very best of luck.